Dear students, I am Dr. Ashok Kumar Saini, Associate Professor in Mathematics in BLJS College, Tosham. Today we will discuss about Mathematics Paper 3rd, Dynamics for the students of BA, BSc 3rd year, 6th semester. Today in the topic we will cover projectiles, which we have in the previous lecture defined what projectile is. Now we will give motion of a projectile. A particle of mass m is projected in a vertical plane through the point of projection with velocity u in a direction making an angle theta alpha, say here, with horizontal to find its motion and path described. Let the point of projection O taken as origin, and the horizontal and vertical lines OX and OY through O as x-axis and y-axis respectively. If u is the velocity of projection and alpha the angle of projection, then resolved part of velocity are uk. Resolved part along x-axis is u cos alpha in the horizontal direction and u sin alpha in the vertical direction. This is horizontal direction u cos alpha and in the vertical direction u sin alpha. Let pxy with the position of the particle at time t. Let pxy see in the figure. Let pxy be the position of the particle at any time t. During the motion, the only force being the weight mg of the particle, which acts vertically downwards. The equations of motion are: during the motion, the only force being the weight mg of the particle. सिर्फ एक ही फोर्स लगी हुई है ड्यूरिंग द मोशन, weight of the body, here we call it particle, which acts vertically downwards. The equation of motion are, therefore equation of motion is, according to Newton's second law of motion, m d2x by dt2 is equal to 0, or m is never equal to 0, or d2x by dt2 equal to 0. Mass is never 0, acceleration can be 0. Equation number 1. And m time in along, this is along x-axis, along y-axis, m d2 y by dt2 equal to minus mg. Cancelling m from both sides, we get, or d2 y by dt2 equal to minus g. This is equation number 2. Integrating equation 1 and 2 with respect to t, we get dx by dt equal to c1, constant of integration, and dy by dt equal to minus gt plus c2, where c1 and c2 are any arbitrary constants. But initially when time t equal to 0, dx by dt can be written as u cos alpha along x-axis equal to c1, and dy by dt along y-axis is equal to u sin alpha equal to c2. Therefore dx by dt equal to u cos alpha is constant, and dy by dt equal to u sin alpha minus gt. Equation number 3 and 4. Equations 3 and 4 represent the components of the velocity of a particle. First derivative of dx by dt is component of velocity along x-axis, dy by dt is component of velocity along y-axis. First derivative. Integrating equations 3 and 4 again, we get x equal u cos alpha into t plus c2 and y equal to u sin alpha into t minus half gt square plus c4. Applying initial conditions, that is when t equal to 0, x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, c3 equal to 0 and c4 equal to 0. Applying the initial conditions. Initial condition mean time, when time equal to 0, then x equal to 0 and y equal to 0, and if we put these t equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0 in the equations, we get c3 arbitrary constant comes out to be 0 and c4 arbitrary constant again comes out to be 0. Therefore x equal to u cos alpha into t and y equal to u sin alpha into t minus half gt square. These are equation number 5 and 6. Therefore equation 5 and 6 give the horizontal and vertical displacement of the particle at any time t. Eliminating t from 5 and 6, we get y equal to x tangent alpha minus half g into x square divided by u square cos square alpha. This is equation of the trajectory and represents a parabola, as it is a quadratic in x and linear in y. This is equation of trajectory. Eliminating t parameter from 5 and 6, y is equal to x tangent alpha minus half g, as it is t square is x square by u square cos square alpha. This is the equation of trajectory and represents a parabola, as it is quadratic in x and linear in y. Now let us find out Lectus rectum, vertex, focus, directrix, axis of the trajectory of a projectile. Now we know that equation of trajectory of the particle is this. We have find out y equal to x tangent alpha minus half gx square u square cos square alpha multiplying y 2 u square cos square alpha what a g in equation 1, 2 u square cos square alpha what a g. Equation 1 can be written as, this is equation 1 equation. इसको हमने गुना करना है किसके साथ, 2 u square cos square alpha by g. Then equation 1 become x square minus 2u square sin alpha cos alpha by g into x, and after simplification it comes out to be 2u minus 2u square cos square alpha by g into by adding u square sin alpha cos alpha by g whole square to both sides of second. This is equation number second. Adding both sides this, we get x square minus 2u square sin alpha cos alpha by g into x plus u की 4, if we open this u की 4 sin square alpha cos square alpha by g square equal minus 2u square cos square alpha by gy plus u square sin square alpha cos square alpha by g square, and after simplification we get on left hand side is become whole square x minus u square sin alpha cos alpha by g का whole square, and on right hand side we take common factor minus 2u square cos square alpha by g, and we are left with by minus u square sin square alpha by 2g. This is the equation of a parabola with its axis parallel to OY and of the form, this is equation of parabola above, and is of the form x minus h का whole square is equal to minus l y minus h का whole square, where h we have taken u square sin alpha cos alpha by g, and using trigonometry u square sin 2 alpha by 2g, k equal u square sin square alpha by 2g, l equal to u square cos square alpha by g. First vertex, how vertex is given, let capital A be the vertex, then vertex A h comma k with coordinates h comma k is equal to u square sin 2 alpha by 2g, this h comma k, this is vertex u square sin square alpha by 2g. And what is latest rectum? L, this is L, this is latest rectum, L equal to 2u square cos square alpha by g, 2 by g we have taken separately into u cos alpha whole square equal to 2 by g square of horizontal velocity, square of, this is square of horizontal velocity. From coordinate geometry we have explained the above how it is parabola. It should be clearly understood that any equation of the form x minus h का whole square is equal to minus l y minus k represents a downward parabola having its vertex h comma k upwards, where l numerical coefficient of y denotes length of the latest rectum of the parabola. Its focus is h k minus l by 4, h k minus l by 4, and equation of directrix is y minus k equal to l by 4, and equation of axis of the parabola is x minus h equal to 0. So we have used this expression where star, this is the equation of a parabola with its axis parallel to y and of the form x minus h whole square equal to minus l y minus k. This is, we have explained from coordinate geometry, we have taken this concept and this star. Now focus, how we find focus? Let S be the focus. The abscissa of the focus is the same as abscissa of the vertex. that is vertex is u square sine 2 alpha by 2g. The coordinate of the focus equal to height of focus above x-axis, height of the focus above x-axis, height of the vertex minus 1 by 4 lattice rectum equal to u square, putting the value of height to vertex is your u square sine 2 alpha by 2g, putting this value u square sine square alpha by 2g minus 1 by 4. We have find out lattice rectum, 2u square cos square alpha by g, and taking common minus u square by 2g, so becomes cos square alpha minus sin square alpha is equal to minus u square cos 2 alpha by 2g. Thus the coordinates of the focus are u square sin 2 alpha by 2g and minus u square cos 2 alpha by 2g, that is s is equal to u square sin 2 alpha by 2g minus u square cos 2 alpha by 2g. The focus lies above, on or below the horizontal line of x according as its ordinate is positive. If ordinate is positive, the focus lies above. If ordinate is 0, the focus lies on, and if ordinate is negative, the focus lies below. That is according as minus u square cos 2 alpha by 2g. This is positive, 0 or negative. This one, that is according as 2 alpha is greater than or equal to or less than pi by 2. That is according as alpha is greater than equal infinity or less than pi by 4. Directrix, we have to find out. The equation of directrix is y equal to k plus l by 4, because height of directrix above ox equal to nz equal to na plus az equal to na is k and az is l by 4, 1 by 4 into l, 1 by 4 into l az. Height of directrix, if we see the figure, I think a g n p o y, this ox equal to nz and nz, ox equal to nz. nz equal to na plus az, na plus az. If you see the figure, nz equal to na plus az, and na is k or az is 1 by 4l. na is k and az is 1 by 4l. This, so therefore y equal to u square, putting the value of k and l, u square sin square alpha by 2g plus 1 by 4 2u square cos square alpha by g equal to u square by 2g. Therefore equation of directrix is y equal to u square by 2g, which is independent of the angle of projection. It shows that if particles are projected from the same point with the same velocity, it follows that particle projected from the same point with the same velocity, the directrix of each trajectory will be same. Directrix of each trajectory will be the same. The result also shows that height of the directrix is the same as would be attained by the particle if projected vertically upwards with the same velocity. क्या शो करता है ऊपरला रिजल्ट की हाइट ऑफ द डायरेक्ट्रिक्स की हाइट इज द सेम रहेगी एज वुड बी अटेन्ड बाय द पार्टिकल इफ प्रोजेक्टेड वर्टिकली अपवर्ड्स विद द सेम वेलोसिटी से प्रोजेक्ट करें वर्टिकली अपवर्ड तो जो हाइट है डायरेक्ट्रिक्स की सेम रहती है. Next is axis. How to we find out axis? The equation of axis is x minus h equal to 0. That is x minus u square sine 12 by 2 is equal to 0. Thank you, students. You can view this lecture in your book in your college website named www.bljscollege.com. Thank you students. If any query or question you may ask, any doubt you may consult me. Thank you.